following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake, Indiana County in northwestern Indiana until 2 p.m. At 10:50 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: significant flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, low-lying areas, and poor drainage areas. Widespread street and underpass flooding. Possible flooding of structures. Possible flooding of highways. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include far south side of Chicago, Hammond, Calumet City, Roseland, East Chicago, Lansing, Harvey, Blue Island, Dalton, Alsip, South Holland, South Deering, Midlothian, Riverdale, Markham, Crestwood, Posen, Whiting, Dixmoor, and Thornton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.